Good morning this Thursday, the 23rd of January. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. In the US on Wednesday, the Trump 2.0 fueled rally extended into the midweek session, sending the S&P 500 to a fresh all-time high, ending the day up 0.61%, while the Dow Jones rose 0.3% and the Nasdaq ended the day up 1.28%. Strong corporate earnings results are also fueling the strength in equities in the US, with Netflix jumping over 9% on Wednesday after surpassing 300 million paid members in Q4, while Procter & Gamble added nearly 2% on earnings, topping expectations. In Europe overnight, markets closed mostly higher on strong corporate earnings results in the region, which boosted Germany's DAX to an all-time high again on Wednesday with a gain of 1.01%. The French CAC rose 0.86% on Wednesday, but in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down just 0.04%. Sportswear giant Adidas rose 6% on the German index on Wednesday, after sales grew by 19% in Q4 results. Across the Asia region on Wednesday, markets closed mixed, led by China's CSI index falling 0.93% as President Trump signaled his plans to impose a 10% tariff on China. Hong Kong's Seng also fell 1.72% on Wednesday, while South Korea's Kospi index rose 1.15% and Japan's Nikkei ended the day up 1.58%. The local market closed midweek session at 0.33% higher, extending on Tuesday's gains as 7 of the 11 sectors ended the day in the green. Our big miners came under pressure yesterday, though, after US President Donald Trump said he was considering a 10% tariff on China, which Australia is reliant on for key commodity trade. Technology shares rose on Wednesday after Netflix posted its biggest quarterly subscription gain ever in after-hours trade in the US on Tuesday, fueling investor hopes for broad growth in the technology sector on an earnings front. Woodside shares fell almost 2% yesterday after the oil and gas giant released the most recent quarterly results, including production falling 3% due to weaker seasonal demand. And Bubs Australia saw 22.5% on Wednesday after the infant formula producer reported a sharp turnaround in first half earnings results, with the company achieving EBITDA of $2.9 million following a $6.8 million loss in the prior corresponding period. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.1% higher at $75.97 a barrel. Gold is up almost 0.5% at $2,757 an ounce. And iron ore is flat at $101.21 a tonne. The Australian dollar has further strengthened overnight against the greenback to buy 62.8 US cents, 98.29 Japanese yen, 50.76 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. And ahead of Thursday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.35%, despite Wall Street and global market strength overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Paladin Energy from $10.50 to $10.70 and maintained a buy rating on the uranium producer following the release of a second quarter update, including operational gains at its Langer Heinrich mine in Namibia, with production of 640,000 pounds, which beat Bell Potter estimates, and C1 costs of $42.30 a pound, which fell below Bell Potter estimates, which was a welcome result. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Perseus Mining following the formation of a pattern over a period of 85 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $2.83 to the range of $3.25 to $3.35, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Thursday. Have a terrific day and happy investing.